start a sewing business. Starting a sewing business can be the ideal career move for you if you enjoy sewing, designing unique clothing patterns, or doing adjustments and tailoring. Numerous sewing projects are offered, including dressmaking, embroidery, and clothing repairs, depending on your skills. The most excellent approach to drawing in different types of consumers is keeping your existing customers, and with any hope of trying to expand your business is to stay current with fashion and sewing trends. You're welcome to Digital Creators Hub. My name is Choma Faith. Here assisted to guide you to make a tremendous impact in your sewing business. The first step is to plan your business. When starting a sewing business, create a business plan to help you through each step of business development. The strategy should begin with a market study of your environment. Analyze your local market and other business that offer similar services. That is, if any, this should be the first step in trying to have a successful sewing business. Then list and define the benefits you hope to provide your customers after that. The second step is to obtain required papers. Before your grand opening, research the legal service, license or permission papers needed by your business. Then register your company with the state and local authorities. And also consult an attorney before forming a corporation, limited liability company, or partnership, so they can walk you through the procedure. By getting your business well insured, you can safeguard your brand enterprise. You can ask an agent to modify your current policy to include a home-based business, that if you operate your sewing business from home. If not, you require a different procedure for your company. So obtain an employer identification number to use on tax forms and business papers. Get in touch with an internal revenue service. The third step to take is to create a workspace for yourself. Renting a place of work is one of the essential tasks for every business. First, you have to consider the size of your fashion business and then get a space that will befit what you intend to do. If you're considering working from home, ensure you have the right environment for carrying out your work efficiently and also meeting with your customers. Overall, you need to understand that you need a workspace to help you stay organized. The first step to take is to purchase necessary equipment. Once you have a location, you may start shopping for starter supplies like a sewing machine, thread, needles, embroidery materials, pre-made patterns, computer software for developing and printing designs, invoicing and bookkeeping software. Before bringing your stock to the public, you need to put these tools in place, and also you need to ensure your workplace complies with all necessary license and permits. Step number 5, you need to build a portfolio. Prepare image of your most excellent work to use in marketing materials, and a portfolio you can always show prospects. If visible, you can display some finished product in your online store or your physical office so that the customer can assess the caliber of your work. If you lack the skills to create a befitting website or to design your website to really stand out from the competition, hire a professional to really develop an online portfolio and a website for your customers. This is what we do here at Digital Creators Hub. We help business owners care for all their digital needs to generate more revenue. There are several services or strategies to advertise your new company, but using a digital system will yield more better and quicker results. The step number 6 to take is to engage in business marketing. The success of your fashion business will be determined by the strength and strategy of your marketing. Projecting what you do on social media and also networking with other fashion designers will give you the correct exposure and network you need. Don't forget about online resources. They are quite very necessary to social media. You can also submit a listing for your company to Google Maps and other web directories. Sometimes doing all this will be talking and texting, so we advise you to outsource it to a creative digital agency like Digital Creators Hub. If you want us to handle any aspect of your business, leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching today's video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.